Patterson's Great Falls will join Yellowstone, Yosemite, and Mount Rushmore in the national park system under a bill the House sent to President Obama today.
This is a big plus and a big step for us.
The National Historic Park designation recognizes Patterson's role in the founding of American industry. Alexander Hamilton, the nation's first Treasury Secretary, laid out part of the city and advocated using the falls to power mills and factories. Patterson fell short in the 1970s in a bid to become a national park. Lawrence Pat Kramer was the mayor at the time.
I think it's a very vital and exciting announcement, something Patterson and Pattersonians have fought for years. The history that it's about really did take place here. We're entitled to that recognition and its contribution to America. And the recognition of that at the federal level is very, very exciting and very dramatic for Patterson.
Former Patterson Mayor Bill Pascrell originally sponsored the park designation and got it through the House in October 2007. Pascrell played a major role.
We want it to be a destination. We want people to come there and see it. We don't want to put purple ropes around it. And we want it to be the site of investments from both the public and private sector.
Pat Kramer is the former mayor of Patterson. In 1980, he was appointed by President Ronald Reagan to the National Historic Site Commission. He and his wife, Mary Ellen, saw early on the need for a national park.
What country, what municipality, what city could you go to in the United States that had what Patterson had in terms of its contribution to the birth of America? If there's been a strength in the United States, it's been her ability to create goods and services, to have an industrial capability. That was born in Patterson, New Jersey.
Pascrell says that the federal resources will be leveraged to revitalize the falls area and restore buildings.
And this is going to be definitely an attraction to get people to work, first of all, and to also bring pride back to the city. And this is just part of that. Not the total answer, not the total solution, but this is a big plus and a big step for us.
I think it should become a national park. It's just so beautiful. More people should know about it.